Which host is the best? Who offers affordable plans? Which plan will best suit my website's needs? What about reseller plans? Choosing a host can be a confusing endeavor. Still, this article provides you with all the tips you need to surf the web to the best host for you. Read the reviews to determine if your potential host has frequent downtime. If your website is generally inaccessible to visitors, there can be dramatically negative consequences. For example, if you are running a business online, downtime will translate directly into lost business, as potential customers will not be able to access your site. Customers may also feel uncomfortable when making transactions on your site, as they may believe that your website is unreliable. Choose a web host that has no history of being offline frequently. Track how often interruptions occur and how long they last. If they are too long and frequent, consider choosing a different service. Most services encounter problems from time to time, but if they don't get fixed quickly, you won't be getting your money's worth. Not only do you need to select a reputable hosting company and choose a package, but you must also decide between hosting types like Windows, Unix, etc. You need to know what your options are and look for all available options to see what it is best for you and your business. To make the most of a free host, you will need to back up all data and files related to your website. Since free web hosts generally do not offer guarantees about backing up your data, if anything goes missing, it will stay with you and not with them. Do not be intimidated by the use of a web hosting service that employs customer service agents in a foreign country. While it can sometimes be difficult to understand various accents, realize that many countries spend extraordinary amounts of time and energy to make their citizens technologically superior. This is particularly true in India, which is why many companies employ technology-educated services abroad. Choose a hosting web service that offers a simple and easy-to-navigate e-commerce system. Even if you don't initially plan to offer products for sale on your website, be aware that this can be a valuable asset as your business grows and expands. You will save a lot of time and energy if you can easily add this service, if necessary. Make sure you read every tip in this article and be prepared to find a perfect host for your website. Take what you have learned here and integrate it into your strategy, then go out and start selecting some companies. Check out some reviews and ask lots of questions, and your website will be online in no time.